There's a living miracle inside all of us. I know it because I grabbed it and tore it from the claws of multiple sclerosis. I never thought this would happen. I'm not talking about stopping all my symptoms. Believe it or not, that's small potatoes. Everyone seems to be focused on that. I mean, there is good reason, but that's not what I focused on. Once they leave, once all your symptoms leave, it's like there's a bright new life that opens up. A good analogy to think about is climbing something. Most just look at the highest point of that, whatever it is, rock, mountain, anything, and say, I want to go up there. If you are like I was years ago, you're probably entangled in all the symptoms. All the symptoms. Crazy. But once you escape them, your strength starts to return. The outlook on life is nothing short of amazing. Hey, it's Steve. I can't believe what is happening to me right now. It's scary to think that if at any point in the past decade I just stopped and gave up, I wouldn't ever had this opportunity I have now. I go on and always say there was no guarantee in any of it. I had faith though, and the faith is what kept me going. If you think you are doing enough, but you're not seeing recovery, then obviously it's not enough. I faced upping my game countless times. Many times. For the longest time, I was on the search for that tipping point, the point where it would tell me that I was doing enough, but it never came ever. I still, to this day, it's still not there, but you know what? I feel it. Then there's the funny thing that started to happen. Looking at the big picture, I was creating, and how I did it is I pushed through it. I pushed myself. I never let go. I realized I was doing it. I was recovering. We all want recovery to happen overnight. Believe me, I prayed for it, but it never came. But that's not how it played out for me. It might not ever play out like that for you. I just got a comment from Marisa saying, it's so hard for me. Sometimes I feel like I'm ready to give up. But when I see the eyes of my pets, they push myself to keep going. I responded, don't give up, ever. You are so special and have so much to share with the world. I battled my way through the struggle, and it is a struggle. It's never easy, but it's my life. The amazing feeling comes when you embrace the battle, like I did, eventually things start to change. They start turning around for the better. I can't find a better way to say it than life-changing. You are sitting there right now watching me. I know what you're thinking. You want the recovery. And I'm telling you how to do it. So go ahead. Start dreaming it. Start loving it. And start embracing the fight. You might have seen a video of mine and know I've struggled with strength in my right calf and heel my entire life. Even before MS entered my life, it was hemiparesis. Ever since I was born. But recently, a brand new wave of strength has washed over my leg. I still can't believe it. That alone tells me I'm not done. I might never be done. The question has morphed from, what is this? To, is my MS recovery complete? To, I don't want this to ever end. And I just want to keep getting better and better. Marisa says, thank you, Steve. You give me hope. Marisa, I'm speechless. We are half a world away from each other, but our recovery can be so similar. We might as well be in the same room. I'm basking in the glorious feeling now. While making this video, I entitled it, Miracle in Me. No. This isn't about my MS recovery. I'm doing this, and I'm not doing this in isolation. So I'm going to change the title to The MS Miracle in Us. What do you think? Is it a good title? If you're on the same journey as I am, are you starting to feel inspired yet? You should be. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.